Quick overview. Eat in a moderate calorie deficit. Prioritize protein plus vegetables. Control refined carbs and liquid calories. Support with sleep, movement, and strength training. Step-by-step plan. Use as your script or daily checklist. Set a realistic goal and timeline. Decide a healthy target. Steady fat loss. Sustainable, approximately 0. 1 kilogram, 2 pounds per week is commonly recommended. Track progress weekly, scale plus waist tape plus photos. Estimate your maintenance and create a safe deficit. Find your rough maintenance using an app or simple online calculator, then reduce calories by approximately 10-20%, or about 300-700 kcal day, depending on your starting point. Don't drop calories extremely low. Aim to stay above approximately 1,200 kcal day for most women, and approximately 1,500 kcal day for most men, unless supervised by a pro. Prioritize protein at every meal. Target roughly 1.62.2 g of protein per kilogram body weight. Higher if you're very active or doing heavy strength training. Examples: eggs, Greek yogurt, lean chicken fish, tofu, cottage cheese, protein powder, legumes. Fill up on low-calorie, high-volume foods. Non-starchy vegetables, spinach, broccoli, peppers, cucumbers, and salads. These add volume and fiber so you feel full on fewer calories. Include a serving of fruit, berries, apple for fiber and antioxidants. Keep portions sensible. Smart carbohydrates and fats. Favor whole grains, legumes, and starchy veg in sensible portions. Rice, oats, sweet potato. Keep fats at approximately 20-35% of calories. Choose olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocado. Fats are calorie-dense, so measure servings. Control liquid calories and added sugar. Swap sugary drinks for water, sparkling water, or unsweetened tea, coffee. Alcohol is calorie-dense, limited. If you want sweet taste, use whole fruit or a splash of milk in coffee instead of syrups. Meal pattern and timing. Keep it simple. 3 meals plus 0. 2 protein-rich snacks, whatever fits your hunger and schedule. Pre/post-workout. A small protein plus carb snack helps performance and recovery. For example, banana plus whey, yogurt plus berries. Intermittent fasting can work for some people. It's optional, not required. Plan, prep, and swap. Batch cook a protein, chicken, beans, roast veg, and pre-portion healthy breakfast snacks to avoid impulsive choices. Swap fried foods for grilled creamy sauces for yogurt-based dressings, and white bread for whole grain. Continues from previous shot. Support with training and NEAT. Lift weights 2-4x week to preserve muscle. Muscle helps maintain metabolism. Increase non-exercise activity, walking, stairs, household chores. It adds meaningful calorie burn. Sleep, stress, and consistency. Aim for 7-9 hours sleep. Poor sleep raises appetite and makes fat loss harder. Manage stress, breathing, short walks, breaks. Chronic stress raises cortisol and can hold on to belly fat. Measure and adjust. If weight stalls for 2-3 weeks, first check adherence, then reduce daily calories slightly, 100-200 kilocalories, or increase activity. Don't chase perfect macros. Consistency wins. Common mistakes to avoid. Quick. Too many healthy, high-calorie foods, nuts, oil, smoothies without tracking, skipping strength training, expecting immediate dramatic results. Fat loss is gradual.